So I measured. These screws do not appear to be, they're not wider than the wall, and I'll check inside so that make sure that they don't come in the cabinet. Number one screw. Go. It's not biting well. Well, it's just not biting. Okay. That means I need a little bit, oh gosh, I need a little bit bigger screw. The right one bit, the left one did not. So, it's good. I will mess with that. Might come up in a few weeks. I'll shop for some screws, and when I'm free, I'll come up and replace it. Or, you know what? Is that, well, I might actually coat those screws with a little bit of silicone, because I don't want to make it permanent. Yeah, let me get some squirtable silicone or something behind here. I'll reach out on the plumbing boards or to Walford and see what they recommend. You're supposed to seal up areas around pipes, bugs, and yeah, I need to take up a little bit of that space where these screws go into in the wood so that they hold. The right one is holding okay, the left one not so much. You don't notice it. I notice it. And as the old saying goes, the painter knows every single drop of paint he has ever spilt.